ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ನಗರದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರಸ್ತೆಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಬ್ಲೂ ಮೂನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಳಿ ಒಬೆರಾಯ ಗುರುಕುಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಶಾಲೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಯೋಜನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೂತನವಾಗಿ ನೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತು JEE ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ನೂತನವಾಗಿ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಶನಿವಾರ ಸಂಜೆ ಕೈವಾರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MR ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿ ನೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತು JEE ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ನೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತು JEE ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಳು ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ದು, 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಮತ್ತು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ರಿಪೀಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತು JEE ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಗೌಡ, CEO ನರೇಶ್, ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯಿನಿ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನರೇಶ್, ನಿಲಯ್ ಚಟ್ರಾಜ್, ರಸೂಲ್ ಚಟ್ರಾಜ್, ಮಂಜೂರಿ ಸನೇಲ್, ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಅಲೋಯಿ, ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಅಂಜನ್, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು, PDO ಅಂಜನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, PS ಕೋನಪ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ ಪಾಷಾ, ಬೂರ್ಮಗಲಳ್ಳಿ ಅಶೋಕ್, ಪುಂಗೂರು ನಾರಾಯಣಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಪೋಷಕರು ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Very important. The reason is that many of these institutions have not been able to get a uniform standard of education. There are some good institutions, there are some fair institutions, there are some bad institutions. So every student is not getting equal knowledge or exposure to the knowledge. So therefore they need a special training for them to go to a higher level of training. Now when you get into engineering or medicine, they are all the professional courses. The student in 9th standard or 10th standard, he must be able to say that am I going to this professional college or not? If he wants to get into a professional college, then what are the things that he has to do? Plans. That type of education in the house is not available, though the parents will not be exposed to that. So what happens, they may say, no, I want my son to become an engineer, I want my son to become a doctor, I want my son to become this, that, so many ambitions they have, without understanding what exactly is the aptitude of the student. That is very important. We are getting into things which we are not aware of how a student is trying to, what he wants to do. I will request your, especially your organizations, coaching classes. You have a system of aptitude test. You can ask the student to get into the aptitude test before you enroll him into these, which area that you would like to. Once you have the aptitude test, it's not going to be very expensive. You can start doing that. You also should become professionally able to guide a student. What is the your play as a coaching class? You become a guiding force. You must guide everyone. See, if there is no guide, so they come to you because you need, yes, see, this is what you should do, this is how I will take you, and I guide you in all these things. First, before you guide them, ask them to get into this aptitude test. There you understand what exactly the student is capable of. There is no point in asking him, no, okay, you want the student, he pays the money and come enroll. No, we want all the students. See, that way is only a temporary way of doing this. If you want the long term, it's not going to be very expensive. Try to find out where the aptitude, see, this test is, Terra Foundation is not an aptitude test. You are starting that. You ask and they say that you must pass this aptitude test before you start coming here. 9th standard students can get into, 10th standard students can get into. You make them compulsory of getting into the aptitude. What is my passion? Is mathematics my passion? Or is biology my passion? Where is my passion is all? Until you understand, the boy understands it, you will not be able to do justice. Maybe just doing them, and so many things happens. See, they just go there, they leave, and let me tell you. A student, 1 year, 1,10,000 students pass out every year in Indian colleges in our state of Karnataka. You know how many of them are employable? 20,000, 19,000 students are employable. And where is 90,000 students who are unemployable? Why? Why is it so? Can anybody give an answer to this question? The reason is that either we are not able to, even for engineering, we are not able to give the skills which are needed by the industry. They do not know what it is. Only theoretically they do something. Today theory has gone to the background. Now if you are giving coaching, see now it is only a theoretical that way you are going to do. But before you give the theoretical, you please understand what is the strength are. You cannot guide a person now. You can just tell him, okay, you better go there, and if you go to that, I think you will be a better person for engineering. Let him go there. Then there is a way of now dealing with these things. Because now everybody is getting aware, the whole country is getting aware. We are also getting aware. Now we have set up number of centers for skill. Every student in every college of this state of Karnataka, 150 colleges, all the students in the first year, they are giving them this skill development from the first year onwards. Otherwise, they will not be employable. See, there are so many issues, there are so many problems which you are unaware of what is going on. You are all looking at silos. Today, the issues are far bigger, and tomorrow can we waste the human development? Can allow him to go waste? It is not possible. So we have got a very big responsibility for that. And I would suggest you, at least, you are coaching, and I am not asking you if your skills and all that. Yes, now you have to pass Normal K or CET. See, that is the way you are getting your students getting this. See, 1 lakh students have been admitted in Karnataka for engineering. That is your strength, that's your strength. And 50% of them are free. So that's where you are going to be. Where are you going to? Are you going to pay 50, 60,000 at 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs in your IITs? What are we talking about? Is it possible? How many of the students here can afford 1 or 2 or 3 can be affordable? What about the mass? You have to get into the CET. That's the only way in which you can sustain. The local students can, if they pass in CET, that's the only way in which they can at least go forward. NEET is an all India, okay, that I can understand. I think you have to be very careful how you are going to teach them in NEET. So, and it's going to the whole syllabus getting will change. So you must be more careful now, because the change is now going to come in next 1 year.
I am standing before you for the first time as a newly appointed director of OGIS, Sri OGIS to be specific, JEE, IIT, NEET, CET and DCET. All these examinations, coaching center. I must appreciate the wait, and you have waiting for a longer period of time. So I must thank you to all of you to patiently be with us. So first of all, I should introduce myself. I am Mr. Niloy Chatraj. I am from Nagpur, that is in Maharashtra. I have got 2 gold medals in BTech, that is Bachelor of Technology. And I have completed my post-graduation diploma in cosmology.
The unit of force. I cannot say every time that this is 2 kg per meter per second square, 3 kg per meter. Type of fundamental forces are there. Very good. Can we name it? One is easy. Second.
ಸೊ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
Muscular.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.